Hi guys, it's Juliana. Welcome to my digital diary episode 5. In that day, 4:30 p.m. naglalakad kami papuntang dagat para mag-food trip. Bumili kami ng fruit shake kasi yan yung una naming nakita. Then bumili din yung mama ko ng mga dried fish for breakfast. 5:30 p.m. early dinner. So ang in-order namin is chicken inasal. Yung style nito guys is parang smoked fish, inihaw na manok. Then 6 p.m. eating dinner na. Ending the vlog here guys. See you on my next one. Love lots.